Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I'm going to try out my new Veritas Spokeshave today. I've got a couple of projects, finally, that need a Spokeshave. I picked this one up last time I was at Lee Valley. Let's crank it open and have a look at it. See if it's ready to go just straight out of the box like every other Veritas tool I've ever bought. Come along! We're gonna do some Spokeshaving. Full disclosure, I paid full price for this tool. I am not affiliated with Veritas in any way. But if you know somebody at Veritas. Alright, Veritas flat bottom Spokeshave. I went with the flat bottom as opposed to the round bottom or the concave because I think this is going to be more versatile for me personally. Let's the anti-rust material here. Oh, rad. Blade's already in and everything. That, like every Veritas tool, every time I pull out a Veritas tool, I am blown away by the sheer sexiness of their tools. That's the only way to say it. Veritas makes sexy tools. Let's see if I can just literally just advance this blade a little bit and carve some wood. There's no assembly required. You don't even have to put the blade in. Come on. All right, I'm rehandling a hatchet. So perfect time to try out my new Spokeshave. I'm just going to pop this down into here. My leg vise. And what are we going to advance? We're going to figure this out on the fly. I bet it's locked. Yep, there we go. Can advance it on either side or both to get more cut or less cut on either side, depending on what you're going for. Just advance it until we're actually feeling blade coming through. There we go. That's probably a little too much. Little bit of blade coming through there. Lock it down. We'll give it a go. Oh, a little bit too much blade coming through, methinks. Yep. Too much blade, yo. There we go. That's still a little heavy. Oh, still pretty heavy. It's all right, we'll get there. We'll find a nice comfortable spot for it. Little finicky to get first set. There, that's a good spot. Nice and smooth. Beauty. Yeah. I think this is going to make pretty short work. Carving out this hatchet handle. Oh, this is going to be a good addition to my shop, this guy. Going against the grain there, so we'll go this way. Do some push. I like pull better, but sometimes you gotta push, depending on the orientation of things. grain starts to change direction, we gotta go the other way. Yes, in case you're wondering, yes, this is very fun. I'm liking that. I'm going to keep at this for a little while. I'm going to try it on another project that I have. I got a couple on the go that this is going to be useful for, and we'll come back after I've had some playtime, and I'll let you know. I mean, spoiler alert. I think it's pretty safe to say that I am going to enjoy having this. But we'll come back in a little bit, and I'll let you know for sure. Like for sure, for sure. Man, once you get this thing dialed in, it's a little finicky right off the start to get things adjusted. Once you get this thing dialed in, it is just, this is hard maple. And it does not even care. It doesn't care at all. This is just fun. This is just fun removal of material. Yeah, those are fun. These are pretty, and this is fun. Yeah. Yep. I don't really know what to say. It is super fun. Spook shaving is super fun. Another quality tool from what I can tell from Veritas. They do give you a little envelope with some little shims in it so that you can put them between the bed of the shave and the blade in order to tighten the mouth opening. I don't know if I'm going to need those or not. I am going to keep them around, obviously. But, man, I'm having fun. I'm having fun carving away wood. And if anything goes wrong with it, I'll let you guys know. But first impressions and first use, very, very happy. Very, very happy. Yeah, if you guys have a spoke shave that you like, or if you hate spoke shaves in general, let me know down in the comments below. I think this is going to be a wonderful addition to the shop. I'm going to find lots of uses for it. I'm sure I am. Anyway, that's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. See you next time. I'm going to go keep cutting more curves because this is fun.